This is a video on how to optimize and improve your computer's performance. To start with, you will need to open the Task Manager, which you can do by holding Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Or by holding Ctrl, Alt and Delete. In the Task Manager window, select the tab that says Startup. In this tab, you can see the name of the programs on the left, and in the third column, the status of the program during startup. If it's enabled, that program will be running during startup. If you have many enabled programs during startup that you don't need, your computer will be running slower. Therefore, disable all the programs that you don't need at startup. You can still run any program that you've disabled at startup. You'll simply just have to double-click on it as you normally would. Disabling it during startup means that it won't run in the background when you start your computer. It does not disable whole program entirely. If you regret disabling a program, all you have to do is choose Enable again.